All right. Let's see. We're live again. That's crazy. All right. Let's see. I managed to make it all back. Let's see what's happening here. Let's have a look what's happening here. Let's see if anyone's gonna tune in as well on this one. We got, hey, how are you, bro? Was lekker, grap? Bro, I was right on the short all along. I was right on the short all along, but now I'm actually looking for the longs. I just couldn't get them, but I actually managed to make it back. I actually took the long right here. I took the long right here. Yeah, I'm looking for longs now, especially. Yeah, 100%. Now it's looking juicy for me. I'm gonna wait a bit, but now I'm definitely looking for longs on this one. Make sure to smash the like, bro. Let's get us into the algorithm instantly, you know. Even kijken, grap. That's crazy though. Like we were looking for the shorts the entire time, and then randomly at 10 o'clock, it's just like it just annihilated everyone. Yeah, I know what you mean, bro. I have the same issue, man. We do have indeed this 5-minute order block right now. Let's see if we can break this one here as well. I will definitely look for a long setup here, man. That's crazy though. Like we were looking for the shorts the entire time. We just couldn't get them. And I close the stream down, I wait a little bit, I take the 10 o'clock short setup, or well, I took the long and then I took the short, and now I'm like up 300 something bucks. You see what I'm saying? That's crazy, bro. That's actually crazy. What a way of life. Trading is such an amazing craft, guys. It's such an amazing craft. You have to be willing to go through the suffering, you know, and stay humble to yourself, because I really lost it here eventually. I was like, okay, I have to get off, and I stopped trading, came back, made money. It's just how it is, man. Smash up the like, guys. For the guys that are tuning in just now, welcome back to the live stream. I said to you guys that I might do another little stream today. I did one before, and now I'm doing another one. And yeah, here we are. You know, here we are. I might get something small to eat in a minute, because I haven't eaten anything yet. I haven't ate anything yet, so I need to eat something. Maybe like some bread or something like that. And yeah, let's see what's gonna happen here. We are potentially playing this 12 o'clock reversal up again, right? I like how everything is forming right now. We have a clear breaker block right here. It would be nice to have the continuation long here. I'm gonna give it a crack here, guys, for a small long setup, but I need to see how much the because it's 100 points. You see what I'm saying? So I have to be a little bit careful here. Oh, that was not the ideal. Wait, a buy limit. Okay, let's have a look here. Got a new. We got a new 15-minute coming in here in a second. So I want to see first how that forms and how it opens up. So I'm not gonna take anything yet. Because this might actually continue to midnight open low, right? Even though I do believe there's a big chance it's gonna reverse here. You gotta see what's up. The range is so immensely big right now. That's what she said. All right, let's have a look. You do have this 1 minute breaker, but they're annihilating it right now. It's not being respected. You have this inversion gap as well. So we inverted this one. You have a breaker, so you have a unicorn. You have everything, basically, everything you need. But the setup itself is not validated as of yet. If they wick down, wick higher, I might get involved here. I have to wait for a sec. Got 7 people watching. Hope you guys are doing all right. Let me know in the chat who you, where you're from, who you are. Maybe I know you, maybe I don't know you. Smash up the like, that's for sure. Smash up the like, that will be highly, highly, highly appreciated. We already traded this morning session for a couple hours. Ended up losing money. Made it back off stream. How convenient, but it actually happened that way. And now we're gonna try and get involved again because this was a buying area for me. So I said if they come here and they provide something, I would definitely look for it. So yeah, I'm keeping my word. We're here now. Let's see if the buying area is being validated or not. If so, or we're gonna try and get involved here for a potential buy opportunity back up, back to the upside. That would be nice, wouldn't it? But it could also definitely just continue its downtrend and go here. But I don't think that is the plan, guys. I personally don't believe that is the plan. Let's see if I can get a nice closure above here, or even above here somewhere, and then I might look for the continuation. The standard deviation is on the low from today. Could you send it on WhatsApp so I know what you're referring to? It's a bit easier with a picture, you know. 8 people watching. Welcome to the live stream, guys. Hope you guys are doing all right. My name's Thomas. For the guys that don't know me, I've been trading for 6 years, and I was live trading before on YouTube. Did a lot of other stuff as well, but now I'm starting again, trying to get back on it, back on the rails again. You know what I'm saying? And for the guys, smash up the like. Will be highly appreciated. Will be highly appreciated. You guys can see on the right hand side that this is the account that we're currently trading with, right? But I'm not in yet. This is not a buy limit. I just have it set so I can sweep in when I want to enter. But right now I don't want to enter as of yet. I need to see some confirmation before I can get involved. I do like it though because we have the 1 minute breaker, but we do need to respect it. We also have this inversion gap right here. They inversed the gap, respected it, right? As you can see here. But I do need some continuation play before I can accept that this is actually going to happen. So a break above these highs would be ideal. And then we also have a nice stop loss, right? Because then we can just simply use the 15-minute stop loss. The 15-minute low as the stop. Because this is too big to me. I'm not going to risk 90 points on the stop. The first target would be 6 o'clock to be mitigated. To flip 6 and then come back towards 9 and 9:30 open, right? That's the idea here. That's the idea for the longs. Whether or not this is gonna occur, yeah, that's the question, of course, guys, right? That is the question. Whether or not this is going to occur. It would be nice though. We're respecting the inversion gap once again. Let's see if this is gonna continue to respect it. We're gonna move higher. We need some break above this high. Then the first target is going to be 6, and then we're targeting up to 9:30 open. But they're not doing it as of yet, guys. They're not doing it as of yet. They're not feeling it yet. They're not feeling the vibe to go higher. So they might seek lower. If they seek lower, the question is how far do they want to go lower, right? That's the question that we all want to know. Because we have midnight open. They already tested midnight open, so that's your daily switch over, right? From Sunday into Monday. We still have that low. It's untouched right here at the bottom. So who knows? They might actually want to go for that low, and it seems like they're trying to right now. We'll see if they respect it or not. I'm removing the buy limit for a second because I don't want to confuse anyone. I'm not looking to enter as of yet. I need a confirmation before I can get involved. Something like a break above, retest, continuation. Something like that. That would be the ideal situation, you know? And then we have a clear stop loss. It would be better if this if it doesn't seek as low as it's seeking now, because it reduces the risk to reward ratio a lot. But yeah, because right now we're targeting towards back towards the 825-ish level. Can't see it, but it's around here somewhere. Let's see. And open 9:30 open is right here. Right here, yeah. So we're targeting back to here. See, so the further they go down, the worse it gets. Then we have to wait again for a new potential entry. They are still playing in that inversion gap, though. That is for sure. They're still playing around in the inversion gap. We've got 4 people watching, guys. Make sure to smash up the like. That would be highly appreciated. If you like the stream, that would be appreciated. Oh, they also have a oh, that's interesting. You can also go live now on the short feed. A dual stream is what it's called. That's interesting. Yo, Mahir, how you doing, bro? Hope you're doing all right. Welcome back to the stream, bro. Hope you're doing all right. What are you looking for? I'm looking for a long. I'm looking for longs. I'm looking for longs. Let me go. I was struggling with the shorts all day long during the stream. I was trying to short it. Eventually called it a day. Took a long, made all my money back and a little bit of a change. Right, as you can see, we're up 329 or something like that. And right now, like I said it in the stream. I said, okay, I'm looking for longs from this area. So in case it comes back, I might go live. And now I'm here, potentially looking for the reversal back higher again. Especially because we did not take out previous day high or the all-time high in general, right? I'm not saying I'm gonna target that, no way. I'm just gonna target back into 930-ish. That's more than enough for me if this occurs, right? So yeah, that's the overall plan. That's the overall plan. But we first need to see some like, you know, they have to show me that they actually want to go the other way. Because right now they're not. It's not happening as of yet. It's starting to look like it though, slowly but steadily. Got another breaker block forming now, right here. If they close higher. So that's interesting. But they do need to close higher first. Got 3 people watching. Yeah, later on the day. I don't know. Maybe people tune in. I hope so. I know there's some bigger streamers out there, and yeah, maybe no one's gonna tune into my stream now. But who knows? Who knows? People are gonna tune in, yes or no. We'll see. We'll see if this is the case or not. Let's see. Yes, I'm back up again. Yes, sir. Hey, I see what you're saying. You're looking for previous day low. Yeah, actually, it doesn't look that bad when you send it to me like that. It might actually sink further, but it could also be a target for tomorrow. I like it though, Jason. I understand what you're saying. Yeah, we're back, bro. I'm back. But I actually made I made my money back. As you can see. Like we were down a bit, but now we're up, and we have a slight change as well. Slight change in money. But yeah, the shorts overall was the right idea. Like I said, I repeatedly said it to myself. I'm like, there's a lot of people, you know, they miss out on an opportunity purely because they get involved at the wrong time, and I got involved over and over again at the wrong time. It is what it is, though. It's part of the game, but it's a tough game, bro. Yeah, that's nice. Well done, bro. You played it out. Well played. I'm now trying to play it back up, actually. Trying to play it back up here. That's the goal for me now. Let's see. All right, let's see. 20 seconds. Let's see how they close. I need a good closure. Let's see, guys. All right, yeah. I'm gonna give it a try for the longs here. Bro, it's still 172 bucks. That's crazy, actually, to be honest. I might sell off one. Okay, yeah. I need to give it some more screen. And now I'm involved with two. No, I'm gonna hold on to it, but I will be 172 bucks with two micros, guys. Like, the hell? That's crazy. Let's have a look. 6 o'clock is right here, resting above these equal highs. Yeah, I need some drive away here. Oh, okay. What is this? What is this? Okay, I'm gonna close that out. What is going on? Is there news? Okay, I made the right choice, but is there news? That didn't seem like that was supposed to happen that way. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, President Lagarde just spoke, just speaking right now. So I think it's better to wait a second here. That's interesting. I'm waiting a second here, guys. President Lagarde just opened her mouth. Let me have a look here. I'm gonna see if there's anything live. No, it doesn't seem like it. Let's have a look. So we just gave back what is it, like 40 bucks. Let's have a look. Make sure to smash up the like, guys, for the guys that are watching. I would highly appreciate that. Yeah, it's just wicking up and down right now. Okay, no, it's nothing really going on right now. She's not speaking as of yet. Interesting. So what was that? That there's a lot of wicking going on here. Maybe I could have held on to it, but I didn't feel slightly confident. I thought the news was gonna wick us out there like instantly. That's what it felt like. All right, whatever. We're gonna wait for a bit and see what happens here, guys. Market is super choppy today. Yeah, I felt the same way, man. I actually tried to short it the entire time. Got stopped out like 100 times. Not joking, but I got stopped out a lot. And yeah, eventually it went. But I managed, because I was trading, live trading before, and I was down like 500 bucks or something like that. But I managed to bring it back up to a little bit more before. But I'm still good. Because yeah, the market is like, it's whipsawing. Like, it's taking both sides of the market and going one direction, taking both sides, going the other direction. It's a bit of a tough read, you could say. It's a bit of a tough read right now. But it's part of the game, you know? It's part of the game. Right now, I was looking for the long. The way the market actually chopped around, I decided to take it out. Made the right decision, I would say, because I feel like this would have been the stop out. Yeah, so made the right decision here. But when I enter another one, I will enter with one, because the range is so big, guys. Like, genuinely, it's just crazy. Let's see. I think you're over trading. Do you think so? Yeah, you might be right. You might be right. You might be right that I'm over trading right now. It could be the case. It could be the case. I was looking for these longs all the way, by the way, though, right? Like I said in the beginning, I'm looking for the short into the long. So if that's why I'm back live again. Otherwise, I wouldn't be behind the charts, you know? Purely because of the location they're in right now. But I appreciate your honesty, bro. I think being honest is good. You're keeping me accountable. So I appreciate that a lot. All right, let's have a look. Wait, what? I'm waiting for these longs. Look at the low resistance liquidity being built. Yeah. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. Hey, we got 9 people watching. Make sure to smash up the like, guys. Would highly be appreciated. All right, waiting for 12 o'clock here. As you guys know, actually something I wasn't fully aware of today. You are right. I think I was locked in too much and I was over trading sometimes. But I think you're right. So because of what I'm going to say now, right? So we're waiting for the 12 o'clock model. As you guys know, the 12 o'clock model, based on the results that I backtested, is either a sweep reversal, right? Or a continuation play. So this means that we either sweep something like this, and we reverse, or it's a continuation play, continuation of the move, right? So either direction we're waiting for now. Let's say it's a reversal play that we are going down, we trend up, we come back to 6 o'clock, for example, right? If it's a continuation play, we come back to 6 at 12 and we trade the continuation down. So, but I appreciate it. You're actually right. I think I was over trading a bit, like today in general, because normally I have certain setups and that's what I wait for. Same as 10. 10 for me is either a continuation play or a reversal play. But then, a drastic manner, this one was an insane reversal play. But yeah, hi, it's me. If you're still here, I appreciate you, bro. Thank you. I appreciate it. All right, I'm gonna grab something fast to eat, guys. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Yeah. Let me know who's still in the chat. Smash a like if you guys are still in the chat. Let me know if you're still here. You guys still here? Let me know. Are you guys still here? All right, awesome. You guys are still here. All right, I'll be back in a sec. Yo, guys, I'm back. Who's still here? Let me know in the chat. I just turned back in. Peanut butter jelly sandwich. It's like American. Yeah, to a degree, that's of course the case. It's me, of course. Oh. I had to eat something, guys. I'm sorry. It's not that anything's happening right now, anyways. Let's have a look, though. Let's see what's gonna happen. I think 12 o'clock is gonna be really interesting. Until then, we have to wait, though. Nice to see you still here, Mahir. I appreciate it. I appreciate it a lot. Oh. Yeah, that was good. That was good food. Alright, we're pushing high pretty drastically right now. Let's have a look what's gonna happen here, guys. Is this gonna be the continuation play? The reversal play I'm suggesting? Or is this gonna be the... reversal play? Let's see. Alright. Let's have a look. We do not have a bottom wick on this 1140 candle. That's something we should be aware of, guys. The fact that we do not have that means that there's a big chance they want to come back to it. This means the reversal play might initially happen from the 6 o'clock candle for the continuation lower. Jason, are you still in the chat, bro? Five-minute order block holds. Are you still here? But done trading. Yeah, no, I understand. Fucked it up, so not so... I see, man. Nah, it's okay, man. You know, we all do it sometimes. I don't have to tell you that it's a casual thing, man. Anyone that tries to tell you they don't fuck up is lying to you, bro. Nice. Hi, it's me. Are you also still in the chat, bro? I wonder if you're still here. If so, what are you looking for? Let me know. if you're still here, if you are still trading anyways. I would like to know. We got 5 people watching. For the guys that are watching right now, you guys are legends. I appreciate it. So yeah, we just have to. I guess we just have to keep going, guys. We have to keep. Have to keep going at it, and eventually we can grow this out. Maybe we can create a community. You know, maybe we can actually create one. I've been contemplating it in my head whether I shouldn't or should do it, but maybe in the future, who knows. Yeah, well, you still have this one, right? This is still an inversion gap, right? But it's not. It's no. Yeah, okay. I wouldn't say it's valid, to be honest. Yeah, now I see what you're saying, bro. The 5 minute is way better if you just have the patience for it. But that's the thing, right? It's having the patience. Because on the 1 minute, it's like, yeah, you get sucked in so easily, man. Like I have the same stuff, man. It's tough. It's really, it's bad, man. Yeah, look at this. All right, seems like it is actually moving higher, but I want to see what happens when we get into 6 o'clock here, guys. Because I'm not in the trade. I wouldn't be in it anyways, but I want to see what happens when we touch 6. 4 serious clean setups. Yeah, this one. At least that would be it for me, right? This one. Yeah, the long at 1. I don't see anything else, to be honest, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. At least not for the long. And also not for the short. Sure, yeah, well, yeah, but it's a bit of a tough one, right? Because yeah, sure, I guess if you just trade the order block and you trade it down afterwards. Yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I see what you're saying. The question is though, would you be able to take it? You know, if you look at the price action and so near all-time high, that's of course the big question. You know, I was trying to get involved like 10,000 times, so I'm pretty sure I would take it. But oh no, if I just yeah, okay, I see what you're saying. Yeah, I see what you're saying. Let's see what ES is doing. It's not doing anything. It came back to 6 already. So that's interesting. We have a bullish divergence in relationship to ES. We never took these lows. This is like impossible for me to take a trade like this though. It's not gonna work. So it needs to either come lower, put a bottom wick on this zero, on this 1140 candle, wick it back up, give an inversion gap, and then maybe I would potentially look for the long continuation on this one. We have bullish divergence in that instance, so that is a good thing. We'll go to the tropics, sip pina coladas. Shorty, I can take you there. Alright, let's see. I need to lower this down a bit. Okay, like that. Put this up a bit, like that. Alright. Alright, we just tapped it. Let's see what happens here, though. Are we gonna sink it all the way through? That would be crazy. I really thought it wanted to go to 6 first. Look at this scintillation, guys. How late is it? 10 more minutes. I got a macro right now. You have a clear breaker now, but the stop is way too wide. So then we have to maybe potentially see if they want to come back, create an order block or something, and then get involved for the shorts back to the midnight lows right here. But then, yeah, it's tough, guys. This is a tough one. Maybe they want to come back into the inversion gap right here. Question is again, how far do you put your stops, you know? We can go to the tropics, sip pina coladas. Shorty, I can take you there. Alright, I'm potentially taking the short setup, depending on how far they can actually reach up. I don't know if they're gonna break this breaker block right here, but it would be nice. Because then we can potentially get involved here for the short continuation play. To that midnight low. But yeah, they might not break this breaker block and go instantly. I just can't enter down here. I have to enter up. I have to enter a bit up. Yeah, I see it here as well. This looks really nice. It's just maybe I need to just give it a crack. Keep my risk really tight. We can go to the tropics, sip pina coladas. Shorty, I can take you there. See if they want to take us in or not. Right now, it don't seem like it want to do it. It's a perfect order block on the 5. Staying alive, staying alive. When we just swipe this liquidity, move this down. It's a really nice retracement play right here if this plays out. If you look at the OTE, we could also just go for the OTE for the golden. I think that's better to go for the golden pocket. If I miss out on it, it is what it is. I just want to make sure I don't risk too much. So the golden pocket is going to be the play here. We've got 6 opening up in 7 minutes. 6 can definitely still pull it back up. 12 can still pull it back up. We've got 10 people watching. Hope you guys are doing all right. Welcome to the live stream. Smash up the like if you enjoyed the live stream. And yeah, put on the notification bell as well so you know when I go live. I normally live stream like sometimes 1 time a day. Now it's twice. It also depends on the market, you know. It also depends on the market. We can go to the tropics, sip pina coladas. Shorty, I can take you there. Achilles up. Shorty, I can take you there. You know I can take it. I can take it. All right. Let's see. Let's move this into red for a sec. Everyone leaves the moment I start singing. You guys don't like my voice? What's on, man? Bro, I have like the most magical voice there is. That's cap, of course. That's a joke. That's a joke. Let's see. Sip pina coladas, shawty, I can take you there. It's not doing it as of yet, guys. It's not doing it. We can go to the tropics, sip pina coladas. All right, let's see. 5 minute change state of delivery. Yeah. Let's hope it holds. After the sweep of liquidity, it looks real nice, you know? It looks real nice. We first need to see it come back up, though, to around the golden pocket here. Something like here. And then we got the reversal play. The reversal play. All right, new 5 minute. Oh no, I'm joking. The 5 minutes already running. All right, let's see what happens here, though. Got 12 o'clock coming in 4 minutes from now. So that's gonna be interesting. That's gonna be the last 6 hours candle of the day. It could definitely run lower into these into this wick and mitigate some of it, especially after we just went so bazooka. Yeah, the stops are insanely big, bro. Like 52 points. So this means that when I'm risking one contract, I'm risking $100. One micro contract, bro. It's actually crazy. It's actually crazy. The ranges are so big today. That's crazy. That's what she said. Jokes. I got jokes. I got the jokes. The simplistic jokes, guys. I got them all. Man, I'm gonna go into the sauna after the stream, man. Put on the sauna. Relax for a bit. That's definitely what I'm gonna do today. It's already hot outside, but sauna never does you wrong, guys. It's good for the body. It's good for the mind. You know, sweating the balls off. It's good. It's good. It's real good. Let's have a look. Tomorrow it's gonna be 27 degrees, guys. 27 degrees. Oh my god. We got 11 people watching. Welcome to the live stream. Hope you guys are doing all right. We're looking for shorts right now. Let me know if you're looking for something else. And if so, what are you looking for? And why are you looking for it? I would highly appreciate to know. Let's have a look, though. We're still hanging around midnight. What is ES doing? ES is also still chilling. This would be the target for yes down here. We can go to the tropics, sip pina coladas. Shorty, I can take you there. All right, we got 1 more minute until 12 opens up. Right now, looking at the 6-hour closure, this is like massive, right? It's like that's crazy. Oh, this gap is not making any sense right now. This gap is supposed to be way bigger. All right, interesting. Okay. I'm gonna put this color a little bit lower so I can actually see the golden pocket. All right, let's see. Let's see if they want to give it to us or they're gonna instantly run down and take this low. It would be ideal if they don't, because that low would be like around our first idea of maybe taking partials, you know, or taking the trade out initially. The idea is as follows: if they come back up and they take us in, they start moving, we might scale in as we go, right? If they give us an opportunity to do so, we potentially scale into the trade. They still leave this liquidity and go higher, that would be better, but it's not happening. They left equal highs or equal lows. Are they gonna give us the entry or are they not gonna give us the entry is the question of the day. That is the question of the day. Let's have a look here, guys. Yeah, I do think this has a lot of potential. Our stop is literally just at the almost at the hourly high, previous hourly high. Yeah. Bunch of SMTs on the low. Yeah. We can go to the tropics, sip pina coladas. Yeah, it seems like it's already running lower. All right, I'm gonna remove the sell limit. Now I'm just gonna have a look here because this could also still be the play that I initially was looking for. All right, the long play. So I'm gonna have a look here because we just swept this liquidity into right here, the demand area. Oh, into what? This demand or an order block, right? In this instance. Oh, so this could also still be a reversal play here, and that we're gonna go the other way. After we swap the lows here. And we come back to 6. This could also still be the option. Let's see let's see what happens here, guys. We just tapped the New York opening level as well from the past. And we are trading below the VWAP. Let's see what 6 wants to do here, guys. 6 really about to annihilate everyone from these longs, or are we gonna play it back up? That's the question here, guys. ES is sinking as well. What a sink, bro. What a sink. What a sink to the downside, guys. ES not nearing those lows. Are we going to create a divergence here or not? Yeah, we just swept the liquidity. Swept the midnight liquidity. We can go to the tropics, sip pina coladas. Shorty, I can take you there. Are we gonna come all the way down to mitigate all of this? That would be crazy though. It might actually happen. We'll see. Right now we're holding it up here. Yeah, if they create this order block, I might look for an entry, but it also depends because now we have bullish SMT for ES, not taking the low again, but this low was already taken before, right? So it's not looking bullish whatsoever though. I ain't gonna lie to you, it looks hella bearish at the moment. But it could still definitely come back higher. We also already tapped the VWAP and 6 for ES. So that's something to stay aware of. Let's have a look here. Is this worth a crack to the upside? After the sweep of the highs back into at least up here. Depends. What is the stop size if I would? But this might actually be worth it. Yeah. Not yet though. Give it a second. I need to validate the closure here. Okay, that's not a valid closure. Maybe the next one. Or not. This could still, now this could actually turn into a breaker. So if they retake the lows, this could turn into a breaker block. Breaker block. Let's have a look. Or is this just going to be the continuation play to the downside? We can go to the tropics, sip pina coladas. Interesting. Who's still watching in the chat? Let me know. I was just mumbling to myself. I still see that we have 8 people or 7 people watching, so I appreciate you guys. Thank you for still tuning in, staying around, sticking around. The market is definitely a tough match today, but we're still trying. You know, we're still trying to fight it in a good way. Like we're not emotionally involved whatsoever. So that's a good decision to not do that. Let's see what this 3-minute does. We have a big gap that we have to be aware of. We swept liquidity. We can go to the tropics, sip pina coladas. Let's see how this 3-minute closes here, guys. I think something back to this gap wouldn't be a crazy situation. So having something like this would definitely be a banger of a setup if it plays out. Waiting for this 3-minute to close and see what's up. Also got a new 5-minute coming in soon. ES is doing the same magic. It did not take the low either. Also the same for US 30. 16 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Alright, I'm giving it a crack if it comes back down in here. Crack for the V-shaped recovery to the upside. Let's see if this wants to occur here or not. They do need to take us in before they go, though. Oh, no. No! That would be upsetting if they go without us. Yeah. If they touch 12, it's a bit of a tough spot. We got a new 5-minute as well in a minute. So this could also still come down on the new 5. We'll see what happens here. Alright. Seems like we might get tapped in here. Let's see. We're not tapped in still. Are you kidding me? Okay. That is tough. I ain't gonna lie to you. This is kind of whack. Okay. Alright. It is what it is, I guess. Oh. Okay. Could still flip. But we just swept liquidity above 12, so I have to be a little bit careful here now. Still think it has potential, but yeah, it's using 12. If it uses 12, there's a big chance it's just gonna continue its driving. Let's see. Got a new 3-minute coming in here in 20 seconds. Maybe it wants to sweep the previous one, but I don't think it's gonna happen. That's tough. I think this one is done, so I think it ran away from us. That would be upsetting. We'll see. Got the new 3-minute right now. Target is still up here, right? So we still got an open target. If they really start to run, then I don't really have a choice. I have to just close it down and accept that it's not gonna give it to us. We might still get the opportunity to enter here. I don't think it's gonna give us the opportunity, guys. We also inverted this fair value gap right here. So we would have to push through it to get our entry on the order block. Got a new 15 coming in 2 minutes though. That might actually wick down and fill some of the wick before it moves higher. On the most ideal setups, they do. If they do, we can also skill in. But this is a tough one. Oh man. This would have been a really nice trade actually. It would have been already a break even. Just missed it by one tick. Markets, man. Markets are crazy. Let's see. Got one more minute until the new 15. This still could potentially provide us the entry. We also do not have like an actual bottom wick on the current 5, so them coming down wouldn't be a bad idea. But yeah. These equal highs are also a really nice target for the reversal play, if they want to give it to us. All right, 10 seconds for the new 15. This is our new 15-minute candle. Is it gonna reverse down or is it gonna instantly push higher? That's the big question. It's coming down. Let's see. Let's see if they can break through 12 o'clock though. Our stop is, or our entry is above 50% of the wick. If they can't break 12, then yeah, it's not gonna provide it to us. I just can't enter here because it increases my stop size twice. Just didn't even tap 12 yet. It's already moving higher. They leave without me. Yeah, I got the same issue here, bro. I got the same issue here, man. But I still think there's a potential that we reverse back for the bottom wick on the 12th. But if this doesn't occur, then yeah, it's a tough one. Gonna see what happens here if they tap 12 and they break above, create an order block after tapping 12. I might get involved earlier. Yeah, I got sell though. Oh, you also have 12 on your chart. I like that. No, I had the same issue, bro. I had the same exact issue, man. So I had it here. You see that? So it was like, what is that? Yeah, like 2 points. That's tough, man. All right, let's see what happens. They're tapping 12. Are they gonna sink it a little bit through and give the entry here? Or are they gonna instantly wick it up? Close above here. If that's the case, I might enter it here and use the 15 as my stop loss to go higher. Because I can't enter otherwise. I can't just... There's no way. Hmm. Alright, I'm gonna get involved here, put my stop below the current 15-minute low. It's only 30 bucks stop, so it's nothing major. But the war is gonna be massive if it actually plays out. I like the closure. After they tapped into 12, this could be potentially the 15-minute low. Right here, right? And yeah, it would be nice. If they manage to break through these highs, I would go to break even. Alright, here you go. So that's a nice move. See if they can continue this move higher. Alright, they're breaking the highs. I'm moving myself to break even here, guys. Oh, a little bit lower. Let's go to break even, man. Alright. Alright, let's see if this can play out, guys. Back to these highs. Back to the view up. So we adjusted to the market and we did it precisely what we should be doing, and that is trading whatever price action is telling us, right? So I think we're making the right choice here. Well, they didn't tag me while my order was there. Oh, that's fucked, man. Yeah, I entered by just dragging in the buy limit. So back to those highs. Let's see if that actually occurs here or not. Don't tilt yourself into an entry though, bro. No, I understand, Jason. It's better to just step away, bro. It's better to step away, amigo. See you later, man. I understand, bro. Hope to see you tomorrow, man. Just, you know, take a breather, bro. Alright, guys. We have a new 20. We have to see. They might wig back into it. If they do and then break higher, I will add, I'll probably add one. If they manage to go higher from here. Without taking us out right now. That would be nice. If they take us out, then yeah, that's it. Probably done for the day. Alright, they took us out. It's crazy. Came all the way back down like that. It's mad. Look at this. Alright, so that's break even. Dang it. Alright, let's see. They actually went into the box that I was initially targeting. I just wasn't aware of it. I wasn't aware of it. I should have taken profits either. Oh, that's tough, bro. Yeah, that's fucked. So I entered it here. I even had a, like, what was it? Like a 1 to 2 at least. Yeah, look at that. I should have taken it out already a long time ago. That's stupid. Hmm. Yeah, let's see what happens here. I'm still preferring the longs overall. This might be a sweep, play, back higher, back to view up. Let's see what happens once they come near this area. Let's see what happens. Oh. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I'm a bit more relaxed, laid back right now. Less I'm less communicating, whatever. Just chilling for a bit. See what's up. Wick down into 12. It's definitely looking interesting right now. Who's still watching in the chat? Let me know. Drop a 1 in the chat if you're still watching. We got 9 people watching. I have no idea who's watching right now. Hope you guys are doing alright though. Thank you for tuning in still. Highly appreciate that. Of course, right? Let's see. Just tap the 5-minute order block. Does it want to go higher though? That's the big question, right? It could also just be a continuation still play that we initially were looking for in the beginning, right? But we wouldn't be tagged in anyways. But this is also creating a bearish breaker block right now. After tapping into the fair value gap, you have an order block, change state of delivery. We are creating a bearish continuation move here as well. But yeah, that's the big question, right? Are we looking for the longs? Are we looking for the shorts on this one? I'm a bit mixed. I wouldn't mind a reversal back into the range more than I would like a continuation to the downside, personally. But I might be wrong. This might be the target right here, down here at 33 337. They can't break 12, it seems like. They just can't seem to do it. Got a new 30 coming in as well. Yeah, I might actually give it a crack again to the upside here, guys. Giving it another crack. If they come down, no, I just entered here. Put my stop below the previous 1 minute candle with the intention that they're going to continue this trend up. Let's see. I might be wrong here, but we'll see. A break towards this level would mean I go to break even. If any break at all. You do have a clear breaker block that's being respected right now, so. But it might not want to do it. Is this just a retest of the fair value gap? That's a big question, right? They just stepped into the fair value gap. Right here. Could be placing our stop below the FEG. Nope. Doesn't seem like it wants to. Maybe. We can go to the tropics. Bottom wick for the 15 would be nice if this actually is the play. But right now I'm a bit skeptic, to be honest. I am a bit skeptic. We are playing around the daily open here, so it could definitely use this as support to go higher, but maybe the market is just not in a state of moving. Yo, Reimer, thank you for tuning in, bro. I appreciate that. All right, seems like they're gonna break this fair value gap. Maybe not. We'll see. Am I willing to risk it below the low is the question, right? Yeah, I might be willing to risk it below the low. Maybe they can sweep this and go higher. No. All right. We're gonna give some back, I guess, depending on how willing they are. Let's see. Yeah, they're gonna probably take me out here. No, we're still alive. But I don't think we're gonna be alive in a minute here. Still alive and barely breathing. Still alive but barely breathing. Yeah, it's an inversion gap now, so that's a bit of a tough spot to be in. I think there's a big chance we're gonna get taken on this one. That's funny though. I'm glad you tuned in, Reimer. Hope you're doing all right, bro. We've been at it for quite some time today. We're still up some money, but I think we're gonna get taken on this one. We'll see. Maybe we survive. Maybe we don't. It's been ranging up, down, up, down, up, down for a duration of time now here. We'll see whether or not we can survive. We're surviving the closure, it seems. So that's neat. That's nice. Are we gonna get taken now, though, is the question. Seems like it. Oh, we're still alive. Are we going to survive this bottom wick on the 30? They might sweep this liquidity and go higher, but I don't really want to give it more room to breathe, to be honest. We're already playing at 12 right now, so 12 o'clock open. They are trying to break it, but they can't for some reason. They just can't do it. And there we go. Yeah, okay, we got taken. How much do we got left? Yeah, 208. So maybe it is actually the downplay then, I guess. After the break of 12, am I willing to risk it for the biscuit the entire time? That's the question, right? I already feel like I'm over trading the heck out of this market at the moment. Yeah, you got another breaker forming right now, right here. It's a breaker that we just formed. Yeah, looking back at it, I should have closed my trade after we made like 3R on this one. Would have been a better call. But it, yeah. Tough. So we liquidate liquidity, move down, break structure, make liquidity, liquidate liquidity, structure, move down. You would say it's just going to continue its downtrend, right? We already tapped the VWAP on yes. I'm barely alive, but I'm barely breathing. US30 is looking like shit. Gold is actually playing the reversal right now. With gold's range, yeah, I wouldn't dare to touch it, to be honest. Let's have a look on the hourly chart here. So we did tap into this breaker right here. The green box that I initially was looking for to take the profits out of. Tapped into it, moved down, create order block, come back into it. A lot of stuff going on, that's for sure. These highs seem so engineered to me, man. So I'm gonna give it one more try maybe. I'm just gonna look at what happens here now, right? So we just created a range to the downside. We retested it up. We went down again. Now we're testing the upswing, right? Let's say they actually respect the golden pocket here and they go back above 12 right here and they close above it. I might actually give it a try because it could be the bottom wick for the half an hour, right? That's setting in. And this could then flip and we could target these equal highs above. Because I still believe, looking at what I know from the data, that 12 likes to rate both ends and then reverse, right? So we actually took liquidity already, and there is liquidity resting above, which is unmitigated and untaken. So I'm a bit skeptic here. I think that still could be taken, looking at all of this right now. So I might give it a crack here in a minute. And if this doesn't play out, then I'm gonna call it a day, guys, right? Take the rest of the money that I have and leave. Call it quits. Got a new 20-minute coming in here. All right, I'm taking this entry right now. Stops is below these lows, and I'm targeting it back up again. With the intention that they're gonna break through 12 right now. It could definitely be that they're just gonna use 12 and sink it down like they're doing right now. We'll see. Yeah, I think this is the case. Why am I so stubborn with looking for the shorts, man? Oh, I'm such a stubborn fool, man. I'm such a stubborn fool. God damn it. God damn it. So you're gonna tell me if I now go for the shorts, it's actually gonna go short. Look at that. Testing me immensely, huh? Who's still in the chat? Let me know in the chat who's still here. Am I gonna be a stubborn fool? Or am I right on the trade? That's the question. I don't think anyone is here anymore. You guys all left me. Let's see. Interesting. All right. I'm gonna stop being a stubborn fool. I'm gonna take the short. for the 20-minute continuation to the downside. I'm gonna have a small stop. And if this doesn't play out, we burn through some of the capital that we have, but I'll be all right with it. Stop is gonna be right here. Continuation play is gonna be down. Let's see if this happens. Or we're instantly gonna get taken out. Would be insane, actually. Let's see, because we just tapped 12. I'm looking at it. We raided back in. We couldn't break it. This might actually be the continuation play lower. I'm just foolish for trying to long it. And we're just gonna target this low right here, right? We'll see. Oh no. Let's see. Let's see if they want to sink it or not. Using the 20-minute high as our stop. It is starting slowly. Got a new 15 here as well. All right, let's see. Let's see if they want to give it to us or not. Question is how far. Yeah, this is like whack. There's no delivery. Come on, be unbalanced for a second. Give us like an inefficient move. Inefficient is what I meant. Just give us like a crazy move to the downside. No? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'm closing this out. All right, this is it for me, guys. I'm not I don't want to give any more back, to be honest. I already gave back 150 just for the sake of it. So that's not it's not ideal. But that's it for me, guys. I'm gonna be here again tomorrow. We tried to trade the move. Maybe I'm still gonna look at it in an hour or so, but I'm not gonna sit here because otherwise I'm just gonna try and catch it before it actually happens. So that's it for me today, guys. I managed to climb back out of the hole that I dug myself into, but I don't want to dug myself into it back again by taking unnecessary trades. So I'm gonna call it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be here probably around 12 o'clock-ish New York time. 6 o'clock-ish New York time. Something like that. All right, so have a lovely night. And if you're trading, stay safe, guys. Stay safe in this market, guys. All right, have a lovely night ahead. All right, see you later, guys. Ciao.